इफ रेट्रोस्पेक्ट में ही होना है तो 2014 के बाद जो जो पार्लियामेंट का उल्लंघन करते थे और वेल ऑफ द हाउस में आते थे, हम सबको सस्पेंड कर दें जो आज मंत्री बने बैठे हैं. सो समवेयर यू ड्रॉ द लाइन. Highest number of women parliamentarians stand suspended. What were they suspended for? We are being told that marshals, we were violent with the marshals. But what CCTV footage is not coming out is how the marshals were getting violent with members of parliament, women members of parliament. They were pushed. They had to be rushed to the hospital. Some broke their knee. And yet a suspension order was given without even hearing the side. So if my voice is being thwarted inside and Rajya Sabha TV or Sansad TV does not give me the voice to be an effective parliamentarian inside and raise people's voices, and so that people of the country can watch what I'm speaking, then I might as well not even hold on to this little role. Actually, आपके सारे जो viewers हैं उनको पहले बताना चाहती हूँ कि किस तरीके से गैर कानूनी तरीके से हमारा निलंबन हुआ है. सबसे पहले तो ये फार्म लॉज का जो रिपील हो रहा था उसकी चर्चा पे हमने जरूर हाथ खड़े किए थे कि चर्चा होनी चाहिए. आपने बगैर चर्चा के लॉ पास कर दिया, विदाउट चर्चा आप वापस ले रहे हैं, तो हमारी सुनवाई विपक्षी होनी चाहिए. पर सस्पेंशन इस मुद्दे को लेकर नहीं था. ये जनता को जानना बहुत जरूरी है. सस्पेंशन उस मुद्दे के लिए था जो पिछले सेशन, मॉनसून सेशन के समय पर जो वेल ऑफ द हाउस में हम सब कहते हैं कि सारे प्रोटेस्टर्स आए थे. वन ऑफ जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था जहां पे आप जनरल इंश्योरेंस बिल ला रहे थे. जनरल इंश्योरेंस बिल क्या था? उसका निजीकरण, इंश्योरेंस कंपनियां जैसे LIC, GIC, ये सब का निजीकरण करने की बात थी. वो बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी में ये डिसीजन हुआ था कि इंश्योरेंस बिल उस सत्र में नहीं आएगा. पर ब्रेक के बाद, जो 1 से 2 लंच ब्रेक होता है, 2 बजे के बाद जब संसद की कार्रवाई शुरू हुई तो अचानक से अनाउंस किया कि ये बिल आएगा. उसके प्रोटेस्ट में हम उठे कि क्योंकि ये बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी के खिलाफ है कि ये निर्णय नहीं लिया गया था, आप एडिशनल बिजनेस नहीं ला सकते हैं और लास्ट डे सेशन का है, इस पे चर्चा भी विस्तृत से नहीं हो सकती. आप समझ सकते हैं कि एम्प्लॉयज हों, जो लोग उसमें इन्वेस्टेड हों, उन सबको ये प्रभाव करेगा. इसलिए हम उसके लिए प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे. पर केंद्र सरकार ने अपनी मनमानी तरीके से उस बिल को भी पास किया. तो प्रोटेस्ट 11 तारीख अगस्त को हुए थे. उसका कभी भी रूल 256 के अंतर्गत हमारा सस्पेंशन नेक्स्ट सेशन में हुआ है. वो भी रूल 256 का उल्लंघन करता है जिसका हवाला दिया जा रहा है, क्योंकि रूल 256 उसी सेशन के लिए लागू होता है. इट कैन नॉट बी रोल्ड ओवर टू अनदर सेशन. तो इसीलिए जनता को जानना जरूरी है कि गैर संवैधानिक तरीके से हुआ, जनता की आवाज रखने के पीछे हुआ, जनता की आवाज ना सुनकर बिल पास हो रहे हैं, एक्ट बन रहा है, निजीकरण में सरकार सबको सब कुछ बेच डाल रही है, उसको लेकर इस मुद्दे पर हुआ है. तो जनता की बात रख रहे थे, उसके लिए निलंबन हुआ है और यही सच्चाई है. That's simply because I believe that when processes are not followed, when I took up this show, I took it with the responsibility of being an opposition member in the House in a bipartisan spirit, because this channel belongs to all of us. And in that spirit, if you have women show for half an hour where we speak to women parliamentarians and their journey, it inspires a whole lot of young women to come forward and participate in active politics. That was my only agenda. Bipartisan politics, irrespective of whether you are in government or you're in opposition, and you make space for women parliamentarians. But when I saw that injustice is being done not just to me, highest number of women parliamentarians stand suspended. What were they suspended for? We are being told that marshals, we were violent with the marshals. But what CCTV footage is not coming out is how the marshals were getting violent with members of parliament, women members of parliament. They were pushed. They had to be rushed to the hospital. Some broke their knee. And yet a suspension order was given without even hearing the side. Highest number of suspensions, highest number of women members being suspended, effectively women voices being silenced, and last but not the least, suspension which defies the parliamentary rules and procedures of taking forward a suspension on the basis of last parliamentary behavior. If retrospect में ही होना है तो 2014 के बाद जो जो पार्लियामेंट का उल्लंघन करते थे और वेल ऑफ द हाउस में आते थे, हम सबको सस्पेंड कर दें जो आज मंत्री बने बैठे हैं. So somewhere you draw the line. And if you're not willing to do that, that is why I said my conscience does not allow me to continue working in this cooperative spirit when my 12 MPs, 12 of our MPs and my colleagues are being silenced inside it. Now, this is the same television channel which stops the broadcast as soon as we raise our voices. As soon as the government says cut the telecast, they cut it. So if my voice is being thwarted inside and Rajya Sabha TV or Sansad TV does not give me the voice to be an effective parliamentarian inside and raise people's voices, and so that people of the country can watch what I'm speaking, then I might as well not even hold on to this little role. So that is why, in principle, I chose to step down. And I think that would be something which I have done on the basis of principles, and in the principles of parliamentary democracy. When we talk about bipartisan spirit, it has to be coming from both sides. रेज कर रही हूं क्योंकि जनता को जानना जरूरी है. आज अगर मेरा सस्पेंशन हुआ, मैं तो अपना बैग पैक करके वापस चली जाती, पर मैं आज पार्लियामेंट के बाहर लड़ाई लड़ रही हूं बिकॉज आई एम कमिटेड टू कंटिन्यू टू स्पीक फॉर द पीपल ऑफ दिस कंट्री. प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी इज नॉट जस्ट अ मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. 34 MLAs of Maharashtra have signed on the document showing faith in me to be able to raise the voice of Maharashtra in the center. ऐसे ही 12 सांसद हैं जो जिनको सस्पेंड किया है. वो 12 सांसद ही नहीं है, वो अपने अपने राज्य का नेतृत्व बनकर, उनकी आवाज बनकर पार्लियामेंट में आए हैं. अब उन सबकी आवाज दबा देंगे. So today Priyanka Chaturvedi is using social media platforms because that continues to be one democratic space that cannot be denied to us. जो 0R में मैंने इश्यूज लाइन अप किए थे कि मैं अगर पार्लियामेंट के अंदर होंगी, मैं ये मुद्दे उठाऊंगी, जैसे जनता को पता हो, जनता जाने कि हम वहां पर मुद्दे लेकर आए थे, इंपॉर्टेंट मुद्दे जहां पे सरकार की जवाबदेही बनती है. आज if the government has a responsibility to live up to the promises they made to the people of the country, so does the opposition. Opposition has to raise its voice whenever things are not going as per the will and the needs of the people. So by thwarting that voice, you're effectively ending all dissent in the floor of the house, which is, I think, unforgivable. To the center is just one thing, that we are democracy not due to independence, not post-independence, not because we became a republic and our constitution adopted democracy. Democracy has been a way of life of Hinduism. Democracy has been the basic ethos and the bedrock of Indian culture and values. And every time you try to attack that very basic values and ethos of this dissenting nation, which believes in debate, dissent, and decision, every time you do this, you are taking away the very ethos and the culture of this nation. And I will not allow that to happen. And that is why I will request every single citizen of this country, you may troll me, you may disagree with me, you may decide that you do not agree with my point of view. You may think that Priyanka, you're sitting in judgment and you've decided on the basis of some CCTV footage which has been partially released to you all. But I appeal to every citizen's conscience that is this the country, democracy, I wouldn't say country, the parliamentary democracy we will leave behind for our future generations, where there is no discussion, where there's no dissent, where there is no disagreement. There's only decision making, which is done on the basis of the pure numbers that this government enjoys. That's my only appeal.